Hello students, today I discuss chapter 3rd, class 10th, metal and non-metal MCQ question. Let's start. These questions are very important. First question, which of the following metal does not burn on heating? Option B is correct. Magnesium, lithium, sodium, these are active metals, that's why they usually burn on a heating. Four metals, aluminium, zinc, copper, iron are added in different test tubes containing dilute HCl. Actually, no bubbles are seen in case of means aluminium, zinc, and iron. These are more active than hydrogen, but copper is less reactive than hydrogen. So copper do not react with the HCl, and that's why no bubbles are seen. Question number third. Na positive ions has 11 proton and 10 neutron. Question number 4. Question 4. Which of the following properties is generally not shown by metals? Metals are good conductor of electricity, sonorous, but they are shining surface, not dullness. So option C. Question number 5. The ability of metal to be drawn into thin wire is known as ductility. Option A. Which of the following metal do not react with cold as well as hot water? Means option D one is correct. Iron only react with the steam. Next question number 7. What happens when calcium is treated with the water? Calcium does not react with water. Incorrect. It reacts violently with water. Incorrect. It reacts less violently with water. Option 3 correct. Bubbles are also produced which stick on the surface of the calcium. That's why calcium float on the surface of water. So option 3rd and 4th are correct, and that's why option D1 is correct. Next question number 8. Generally metals react with acid to give salt and hydrogen gas. Which of the following acid does not give a hydrogen gas? This one is a nitric acid, because nitric acid is a strong acid. It react with metals, then the oxidize the hydrogen gas into water. That's why hydrogen gas is not evolved out. Next question number 9. The composition of aqua regia is 3:1. Both are concentrated. So option in question number 9, option C is correct. Generally metals are solid in nature. Which of the following metal is found in a liquid state at room temperature? Means that one is mercury. Option D. Question number 11. Generally non-metals are not lustrous. Which of the following non-metal is lustrous, shining surface? That one is iodine. Next question number 12. Which of the following 4 metals could be displaced from the solution of its salt by other 3 metals? In these all 3, silver is the least reactive, that's why they do not displace all these 3 metals. Next question number 13. 2 ml each of concentrated HCl, HNO3 and a mixture in third test tube. Mixture HCl concentrated, both are concentrated, that is one is aqua regia. So in aqua regia, metals like gold can be dissolved. So option B1 is correct in question number 13. Question number 14. Which among the following statement is incorrect for magnesium metals? It burns in oxygen with a dazzling white flame. Yes, it is produced. It reacts with the cold water to form oxides and evolved out hydrogen gas. That one is also correct. It reacts with the hot water to form sodium hydroxide and evolved hydrogen gas. That one is also correct. It reacts with the steam to form hydroxide and evolved hydrogen gas. So in question number 14, magnesium is that metal only react with the hot and steam. That's why option B is The question number 14, B is incorrect. Next question number 15, reaction between X and Y form compound Z. X loss means this one is an ionic compound. Which of the following property is not shown by ionic compounds? Ionic compounds have high melting point, not a low. So option D is incorrect. Please do not show properties. Next question number 16. Although metals form basic oxides, which of the following metals form an amphoteric oxides? Sodium, calcium, and copper. They all form basic oxides, but aluminium form amphoteric oxides. Amphoteric oxides are those oxides which react with the acid and base. Generally, non-metals are not conductor of electricity. Which of the following is a good conductor of electricity? That one is a graphite. Graphite is a good conductor of electricity while it is a non-metal. Electrical wires have a coating of an insulating material. The material generally used is, that one is in question number, the material which is used for insulating, that is PVC. Question C1 is correct in question number 18. Question number 19. Which of the following non-metal is a liquid? That is one is a bromine. Next, question number 20. Which of the following can undergo a chemical change? That one is option D. Because iron is less active than Mg, lead also, iron also, but iron more active than copper. Question number 20. First, the most abundant metal in the earth crust. That one is aluminium. Question number 22. The poorest conductor of heat among metal is. That one is lead. Which property of metal is used for making bells that produce ringing sound? That is sonorous. Al2O3 plus NaOH both react, they form sodium aluminate, NaLO2. Which of the following pair will give it displacement reaction? Option B1 is correct, because copper is more active than silver. Question number 26. Non-metals form covalent chlorides because they covalent chlorides means covalent bond is formed by sharing of a electron. Option B is correct in question number 26. Question number 27. Which of the following are not ionic compounds? These are HCl, because covalent bond is present. CCl4 also covalent bond. So option second, third is B option is correct. Which of the following non-metal is lustrous? That is iodine. Example of amphoteric oxide is aluminium oxides. Which among the following is an acidic oxide? CO2, because non-metal oxides are acidic in nature. The atomic number of X is 12. Which inert gas is noble gas near to atomic number 10? That is neon. Question number 13. The element X is soft and can be cut with a knife. That is sodium. These are soft metals, alkali metals. Question number 33. Reaction between X and Y form compound Z. X loss electron, Y gain electron means ionic bond is formed, and ionic bond have a high melting point, not a low one. Okay, and that means B1 is incorrect. Next, question number 34. The electronic configuration of three elements X, Y, Z are given. Which of the following is correct? Those elements whose valence electron 2, these are metals. like Z. Okay. Z has last shell 2 electron, that's why this is matter. And whose valence electron more than 4, these are the 4, these are non-metals, means Y is a non-metal. So option D is correct. The lightest liquid metal is mercury. The most abundant element in the universe is hydrogen. Element X is yellow in color. They form and insoluble in water. Yellow means sulfur is yellow in color, and when react with the oxygen they form sulfur dioxide, which is acidic in nature, that's why it turns blue litmus red in color. Which of the following oxides of iron would be obtained on long reaction of iron with the steam, that is Fe3O4? Negative states elements, question number 39. Those which do not react, these are silver and gold. These are option second and fourth, and these are in option C. Question number 40. An element X reacts with O2 to give a compound with a high melting point. This compound is also soluble in water. That one is calcium, because calcium reacts with the water and form hydrogen gas. Next, question number 41. An aluminium strip is kept immersed in freshly prepared ferrous sulfate solution taken in test tube. Clear? Ferrous sulfate is green in color. When aluminium strip reacts with it, it becomes colorless. So option A is correct in question number 41. Question number 42. Aluminium is used for making cooking utensils. Which property of the aluminium are responsible for it? Okay. This one is thermal. The aluminium is a good conductor of electric heat, that's why, and have high melting point. So option first and fourth are in option D. So question number 42, D option is correct. Question number 43. Which one of the following properties is not generally exhibited by ionic compounds? Not means which of following property not shown by ionic compounds? Ionic compounds are not conduct electricity in a solid state. That's why this option is incorrect. Option B1 is incorrect. D is correct. C is also correct. A is also correct. Which of the following metal can catch fire on reaction with the air? It is highly reactive metal. That one is potassium. Option C is correct. When magnesium oxide is dissolved, they form magnesium hydroxide. The solution thus obtained is basic in nature, means alkaline in nature. Option 45th B option is correct. Next question. Question number 46. Which of the following metal do not react even with the steam? These are not even react with the steam. That one is silver. Identify the non-metal which exist in a liquid state in a room temperature.